Okay, now this is using group. This video is about using group. There's a lot of groups out there you can use to get engagement, grow your followers, and get watch hour and views. These groups now, what it does is that some of them are paid, some of them are free. So if you can get anyone that is free, that is active, fine. But if you can't get done, endeavor to pay the admins. They will allow you to be posting your content and you'll be getting your engagement and also some followers from there. Understand? This thing helps to unlock your engagement posts on Facebook. So that is why you should check your dashboard. You will see 200,000. You will see somebody with 5k followers be having like 10 million or 3 or 4 million views. Reach in a month. You think it's magic. It's not magic. Some of them may likely come from posting reels or posting one or two videos that went viral, but majority of them comes from posting in different groups on Facebook, which has like from 300,000, 200,000, 1 million, and above members. So they know most of them know the kind of content they're going to post, and once they start posting those content and those content start going viral and start getting engagement, it enhance and also make them to meet the criteria that Facebook requires. Understand? So there are those criteria. If you go to your monetization, you see those criteria. If you click on your in-stream ad or live ad, you see the criteria you need to meet in order for you to qualify. And the good news, monetization is coming to Nigeria by June, sorry. Then be prepared. So that's why I said use group. I can recommend groups that I'm using on my own. If you check the screenshot, you will see screenshot of my previous of the groups I'm using. You see the engagement and everything. Understand? Yeah, I'm showing them in this video now. So all these things now are the things you need in order for you to grow your Facebook page. So I'm going to discuss the last one. So see you guys in the next video.